Yo, unapologetic, Nomads. We were unapologetic, nigga. Yeah. We about to do the most American thing you can do right now. And hit up this spot right here. Hold on, let me show you. Yeah. That's right. Yeah, we're gonna see what it's hitting for. It's beautiful out here today. The weather got to be around like 75, something like that. We are enjoying ourselves. The energy's good. Yeah, everything is lovely. How y'all feeling back there?
Great. Beautiful.
Yeah. Let me put my mask on. I ain't trying to get stopped out here. Y'all want to go in, or y'all trying to go through the drive-thru? We can go through the drive-thru. Y'all know what y'all want? But anyway, is that right? Hello. Hello. You know what you want, mama?
This one.
Okay, this one.
Oh, she said.
Okay. Damn.
Yeah.
I don't hear the menu. Y'all want to go in?
Yeah, because this, why not? You know?
Because
Because we don't know, yeah, we got to set the menu.
You have a menu? Thank you. Don't know what y'all want.
No. Hello.
They got chicken strip sailor.
Wow. Wait, I can't see it.
You want something? Okay.
Yes. That one? Okay.
One.
Yes, chili or not chili?
Hmm?
Oh,
Chili or no
chili? No
chili?
chili.
Chili without chili.
Chili? Yes.
Yes, chili.
Yes, chili.
Yes.
Yes. How about you?
Twister. I want a twister.
Mm-hmm.
Twister, sweet chili, but no tomato.
No tomato.
Yeah, I have allergy.
As a meal or just the...
Oh, the meal. Yeah, the meal. Do you have Sprite?
Yes.
Yes, Sprite.
Yeah.
But no
Okay.
tomato.
Hold on. Let me check it for you.
Okay.
Okay. I can't see that far.
I'm going kind of sharp. Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Some of them be kind of sharp out here. Some of their haircuts be a little short. That's what I'm saying. Bruno's hair was short.
Yeah.
Sorry, we don't have Sprite.
Oh.
Okay.
We have Cocoa, Orange, and Stony. Also Fiesta.
Which one?
Fiesta.
Fiesta, what's it called?
Fiesta. You got to check on the menu,
Fiesta, let me
maybe.
see. Okay, no.
I'm going to get...
Fanta. Probably Fanta.
Y'all want to get a bucket?
Yeah. How many pieces is
Family is 6 pieces with 2 chips
it? 6.
and 1 something soda.
Oh, she
Something
probably
soda.
had the big Sprite then. Okay.
Family.
Yeah, okay. Okay.
Oh, that's not what I should be.
So I guess I need to change mine.
Yes. Is that chili on the side or chili on
Chili
there?
inside.
Yes.
Okay, so no twister. We get the family one.
No twist.
No
How
twister.
many
Yeah, yeah.
fries
One
is it?
family feast, chili, and the sweet rice pie.
Yes.
Does it only have one fry? I mean, 2?
It comes with this size of cheese. This one.
Okay.
But you can add 800 and the big one.
The big size.
For 800?
The big one.
Okay, look at the big one.
Yeah.
Big one.
Because I eat 3
You have
by
the big
myself.
Sprite? You have the big Sprite?
She said she don't got
Oh,
Sprite.
she don't have the Sprite. No Sprite.
This the big one.
Big one you have.
Oh,
Good.
she has big one.
one.
Good.
Yeah.
Okay, good. She must not have it in
Yeah.
the thing. Yeah.
That's how we gonna do it.
Yeah.
28,800. One sweet rice pie, family chips, spicy and the family feast spicy. 8,800.
800.
Sorry?
How much?
8,800.
8,800. Two, yeah.
This is 10.
Okay. So how much?
28,800.
Oh, 28.
A few minutes later.
Oh no, Ayla is tearing the
Hi.
KFC all the way up.
How are you?
Man, how's
It's
that
good.
taste? Ayla, good?
It's good.
Mm.
It's good.
All right, now you had KFC in a lot of different countries. Okay, you had KFC in America. Oh my goodness, you're gonna choke. Let me let you finish chewing first. And look at this wonderful looking, beautiful, scrumptious looking piece of chicken right here.
Like,
It's nice and crispy and crunchy. So, y'all had KFC in numerous amounts of countries. You had KFC in the United States of America. You had KFC in the United Arab Emirates, Abu Dhabi, Dubai. You had KFC in
Cambodia.
I was gonna do it, but Cambodia, and now we're experiencing KFC in
Rwanda.
yes. So my question is, which one is better?
Do you hold the phone?
Which one is better?
This one's good.
It's a
It's a
rough
spicy
choice.
one. It's,
Just say similar.
I mean, it's KFC.
Mm-hmm.
It's KFC. It does taste like KFC. It's good.
Oh yeah,
This was just the spicy one.
it's spicy.
Mm-hmm. It's good though.
Is it good?
It's very good.
Who has the best one?
That's rough.
They taste the same to me.
Oh, it tastes the same. Oh.
I wish I had some
Yeah.
coleslaw though. Next time I get some coleslaw.
Mm-hmm.
Like,
Let me see.
that's a rough one.
Yeah, they about the same. They got that KFC taste to it. Yeah.
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 You know?
This one tastes like you ain't eating one a little bit. Let me see.
Yes. It
I
got,
used
yeah.
to get the original. This is spicy, so.
Oh yeah.
I used to get the
Yeah.
spicy and you ain't eat. That's why I picked
Mmm.
this
Okay.
shit.
It's so good and crispy and
It got a lot of
crunchy.
flavor.
Look at that.
It's
Yeah.
still juicy too. It's not like dried out.
Yeah, it is juicy.
Your food here is really good.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah. Well, we are signing out. It's hard for me to hold phone like this, so I'm about to hang up. Peace.